No one man is capable of directly controlling all of the facets of a multinational corporation and its 50,000 plus employees at once. Memetic structures must be created which program the actions of these employees to act within the boundaries set by the corporate sociocultural system in question. The founder of the corporation could not make 50,000 individual decisions per minute, nor could he possibly hope to communicate his decisions back to his employees even if he was able to make such an extraordinary number of decisions. The employees must rely on the particular brand of memetic programming they have inherited within the corporate structure and decide which of their potential actions stay within the bounds of acceptable behavior and which do not. These mislabeled individual decisions are not really individual decisions at all. They are individual decisions made within a range of predetermined options. So in a very real sense, the employees of the fictitious corporation will appear to be making individual decisions, when in reality they are following a specific, though variable to some degree, course of action outlined by the founder of the corporation.